The 2026 Subaru Solterra arrives as a meaningful mid-cycle refresh that addresses the original model's two biggest complaints: range and performance. Subaru has revised the Solterra's electric drivetrain, added a new high-output XT trim, refreshed the exterior and cabin tech, and improved charging compatibility. Changes aimed at making the Solterra a genuinely competitive small electric SUV rather than a niche entry. Under the skin, the Solterra keeps its dual-motor all-wheel drive architecture but with stronger, more efficient front and rear motors. Most 2026 Solterra trims now quote a combined output of about 233 horsepower, while the new XT Performance grade boosts total system output to roughly 338 horsepower and promises a 0 to 60 miles per hour time under 5 seconds in XT specification. Subaru also says the AWD control logic and torque distribution have been retuned for improved stability and off-pavement traction. Range and charging see the largest gains. Subaru reworked battery management and packing to give the Solterra a 74.7 kWh usable battery and an EPA estimate in the neighborhood of 285 miles. Roughly a 25% lift over the outgoing model. DC fast charging speed rises to about 150 kilowatts peak, and Subaru added a battery preconditioning routine to speed cold weather charging. North American models also adopt the NACS Tesla charging standard for access to a much larger supercharger network. Those changes make the 2026 Solterra far more practical for longer trips. Inside, Subaru has upgraded the cabin with a larger 14.0-inch infotainment touchscreen, refreshed graphics, and more standard connectivity and comfort kit, including dual wireless charging pads and additional USB-C ports. Materials and trim are subtly improved to better match class expectations, while Subaru retains its high seating posture, excellent outward visibility, and other practical traits that buyers liked about the original. Active safety and driver assist systems continue as standard, with updated software and sensor suites for 2026. The exterior styling changes are evolutionary: a cleaner front bumper and lighting signature, revised wheel designs, and revised rear garnish give the Solterra a slightly more upscale, aerodynamic look. Subaru also notes tweaks to suspension tuning and regenerative braking mapping to sharpen on-road manners without compromising the brand's traditional capability in sloppy conditions. Overall, the Solterra aims to feel more composed and confident at highway speeds. Pricing and timing are sensible but regionally staggered. Subaru has signaled availability beginning in late 2025 into the 2026 model year, and US guides expect a starting price around the low to mid $40,000 range for base trims, with higher spec and XT models stepping into their high $40s to low $50s depending on options. Exact MSRPs and incentives will vary by market and trim, but Subaru's press materials and industry outlets place the Solterra firmly in that competitive band. Against rivals, the refreshed Solterra now lines up much better versus segment peers. Think Volkswagen ID.4, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Kia Niro EV, and Chevrolet Bolt